Next job is to take out the sunroof, because we've got another one, cost 50 quid with a motor. So I don't know whether you can see them, probably can't, but there's Torx key all the way around, so we're going to undo them. Excuse me, a lot of shit really. Ah, there we go. So I'm going to undo all them, all the way around the sunroof, then pull the sunroof out, stick the new one in, seal it in, and then let it dry, and then we can test the rest of it, make sure there's nothing else leaking. Yes. Right, the next issue is the vents, these are in the way of getting it off, so we've got to drill these rivets out. Sunroof's out, it just pushed out quite easily. This is the stuff that it was stuck down with, and it's obviously been getting underneath that, and the sunroof had been stuck down, so it looks like we'll probably have to check the front one as well, because we don't want it going in under that one, so it might be worth us sealing that at the same time just to get rid of them all. But we're going to scrape all this off and clean it, then bang the new sunroof.
Right, sunroof's out now. We're just using a scourer to get the remains of the old sealant off to make sure it's 100% clean for the new one to go in.
That's what it looked like after this, getting it off with a Stanley knife, and there's obviously some stuff left, so like he's been trying to get it all as clear and clean as possible, and then we'll put some brake cleaner or something on there to make sure there's no residue left, let it dry, and then stick the roof in. I'm using a bit of citrus degreaser to clean any residue off that will stop the tiger seal sticking to it. So we'll clean it all round. You can see that's ready for the tiger seal now. What we've got is tiger seal. So we've looked into the best stuff to do it, and apparently this is it. So I'm going to put a bead around the sunroof here and a bead around the hole. So here's the sunroof ready to go in. We've got it, so what we can do is put it on, then flip it over and slot it in. So I'm going to do tiger seal around the sunroof and tiger seal around the hole.
Yeah, we'll do this first and then we'll do this. So as I got it all at my armpits.
Okay. Now, he's a professional gun squeezer. it might be that the tiger seal is sealed.
I've got to get this tiger seal to come out.
Calling all assistants.
Call me on.
2 sugars.
You're on the having one.
Come in, assistant. Check it in if you want.
What's it made of? You got to paint it with a brush. I think we go around once, Dad. I think we go around this once.
I'll get it out. You laugh. This is
professional bead squeezer. You need the grip of Lou Ferrigno to do this. You need Jeff Capes to do the sunroof and Lou to do the gap.
I don't want to play it.
But there's no point you watching us go around the whole thing. So we'll sort that out and come back to it. We've dropped the sunroof in, put the tiger seal around it, 2 beads worth, drop the sunroof in, and now we're just putting the screws back in all the way around, and then we'll leave it 24 hours for it to seal. The sunroof's in, it's sealed, you can see the sealant that's come out there. We have put the motor on as well, and there you go. Opens all the way back and all the way in, and it seals as well, so you haven't got it moving up and down like the old one was. So that's all done and sealed. We're just going to have a look at the front one because that ain't working, and that's it for the roof other than the lining going in.